That's just a fingerprint smudge right there, so ignore that. Paint looks really good. We'll get the hood here in the sun. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car has PPF from the front bumper to the back. Full front bumper, hood, fender, side mirrors, doors, quarter panels, rear bumper, upper trim, this little A-pillar here. Every single piece of this car is fully protected. Got the PS4S's, date code 2020. Looking at that wheel, I'm not seeing any curb rash. Looks really good. That looks really nice. Typical like bug etching into the side mirror, but you do have film there protecting it. That looks good. And when you have PPF, it's hard to tell what flaws are just on the film and if there's any underneath. So you're going to see little impacts here on this area, which is super common. Got the PS4S here, date code 2020. You got a little bit of rash right there on the edge. Very minimal. No film on the headlights though, so you are going to see little impacts, little imperfections there, but the clarity looks really good. Little bubbles it looks like in the film. You do have a dent right here in the plastic, and something looks like it kind of grazed it. And there's also a crease right here. You can see that line in the bumper. So there's a crease and a dent there in that plastic. Little scuffs on the film. Like I said, it's pretty much impossible to tell what's under the film and what's on the surface. Little snag in the film. You can see some rash and some snags there. Clarity on that light looks good. Same here, you have some bug etching, some bugs kind of splattered and etched into the clear possibly. That looks good. Date code on the tire 2020, wheels nice and clean. Typical little impacts here. That looks nice. You do have some little impacts on the edge of the door, it looks like. A couple small chips. Of course, you're gonna get close, you're gonna see little impacts there, but fully protected. That wheel looks good. Date code 2020 once again. And this paint is really pretty. It looks like it had a fresh polish recently because I'm not seeing a bunch of swirls. So that looks good. Tail light, nice and clean. That middle light looks good. That tail light looks nice. All of this is fully protected with PPF. This car's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 17,707 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on any of the screens here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Got the radar detector here. This car also has full body PPF, front to back, everything fully protected. Hitting the brakes kind of hard there, they feel solid. Super easy to shift. radar in action. Alignment's perfect, steering wheel's nice and straight, no issues there. Drivability is really, really nice. All right, checking out this interior. It is a non-smoker. Now you're gonna have some little chips and stuff in this area, super common. Top side looks nice. A little bit of wear on the handle. A little bit of wear right there. Those buttons look good. Here in this trim, typical scuffs from getting in and out. Looking at that bolster, looks really nice. Same here. A little bit of wear, a couple markings. I see some really light markings, a few light scratches. Here on the steering wheel, a couple small markings, but overall looks good. Little chips here, a little bit of wear in that area. Vents look good. Screen looks nice. Those buttons are all clean. There's part of that radar. I'd say the most wear on this car is just going to be here on the center console, which is really common on these. Here on this door panel, looking at that upper section, looks good. Handle's nice and clean. There's really not much to pick apart on here. I mean, some very minor scuffs right there. Otherwise in great condition. Typical scuffs from getting in and out here on that trim. You even have PPF in here protecting that though. You can see the hard line there. That's not a scratch. All the film protects that. Here on the seat, little markings, little scuffs. You're gonna see a couple markings. Overall, that looks good. You do see some wear on the console and around that shifter. Glove box looks nice. Upper side of the dash here, kind of scanning through that. Have a built-in radar. Now looking at the back seats here, I do see some stains right there. A little bit of markings. Looks like something kind of sat on the seat, so you're going to see a few small dimples. That carpet looks good. Seat backs, a couple markings here and there. See a little scuff there. Otherwise, it looks really nice back here. Looking in here, all that plastic looks amazing. That is a bag for the radar. Underside of the hood, it's in great condition.